In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Claude AI. So if you want to switch from one language to the other, or you have accidentally switched to the language that you don't understand and you wish to switch back to English or any other language, then just follow these steps to do so. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. First, go ahead and log into your Claude account. And once you are here, you should be able to see your sidebar. I'll go ahead and first expand it by tapping on this icon. Once you are here, now head over to your profile icon. The good thing is, even if you don't understand the language, you can just go ahead and follow these instructions by clicking on the icons as you see them. So if I click on this profile icon, you can see we have the second option is language. The first one is settings. If you just point to language, now you'll see here various languages. Scroll down until you see the language that you understand. So once you have identified your preferred language, go ahead and choose it. And as you can see, we have quite a number of languages such as French, Dutch, Indonesian, Italian, Spanish, just to mention but a few. So that's how you can change language in Claude AI. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.